one of the very important aspects of Agentforce is the testing. When we deal with agents, they are non-deterministic, so it makes it very hard to test. And this is actually extremely important for us to be able to build a test strategy, right? To get a comprehensive view of what's going to be possible by our users. So thankfully, Salesforce provides a very powerful tool called Testing Center. So we improved it quite a bit to be able to go further on the get us more visibility about what's going on. So here, if you go into Salesforce, into the testing centers, that's a bit what you can see. And this is hard for us to be able to click to see the detail about why it fails, on even to replay things. So that's why we see the difference with the Safe Explorer. So going to go into the applications, and if I use and open the same test, so here it goes through testing and test cases to get there, and I'm going to open this same page, and from here I have this same view. I'm going to make this a little bigger, yeah, from there, and you can see this same information, but there is less columns, right? Less columns because the people usually on screens have something smaller, right? On the you can see the status on this is not even available, right, in Salesforce, because as long as whenever you edit your test, you lose the history of your test. So you have to make sure you keep that somewhere. But anyway, here you can see some additional information. For example, the detail about the test. What's interesting is for you to be able to interact with this. There is a number of things you can do, like filtering. I want to filter by topic and focus on some topics I haven't tested or I haven't viewed, because obviously from the top you'll be able to see the agent blueprint, right, with everything we have not tested. So for example, solar production is not yet covered, so probably I want to build some tests around that, and we'll see a bit later how we add tests for solar production. But anyway, here you can filter and see with the green color is what is a match, right? So I was expecting digital service, and this is exactly what I got. On the response topic prompt, this is something you can click on, and this gives you actually the detail of what the system has done. So this was the intention, that this was the label intended, and this is what the LLM response was. So this is the output, and this is the request, the actual request that was made based on this prompt. So again, like before, you can replay the prompt to make sure it's still going to give you the same thing. You can change the model to get a different response. And something else you can do is you can analyze and play with the prompt to change, right, to change a bit the topic classifications to check if this is not going towards the right place. Maybe you will be able to do that, something like this. So I'm going to remove some of those topics. I'm going to here I'm going to save this, and I can replay with this new let me hide the analyzer. On this is a different response, obviously, because I removed the intended topic. So anyway, you can view things like this, for example, for you to be able to debug. So that's for specific topic resolutions. Obviously, when this is an action, you can do the same. So here, for example, this is an action that was successful. This is an action that match, right? But this is an error. So I can see the detail of the error like this from here. What's interesting from here is like some actions for you able to replay, right, or play directly the action. You can edit the action, or you can edit the test, or even remove the test. So when you edit the test, right, you'll be able to add some more expected action from this on save. I know that's going to be able to make it from there. So it obviously changed the resolution. And now if I want to do that again, I'm going to be able to replay. That's going to reuse the utterance on replay using the chat, right? And you'll be able to see on once you reload this page, right, through this, it's going to find a match, and you get the newer result from there. One other cool feature, right, obviously, is to be able to add some test case. We'll see from the topic that we were missing some tests, so be able to add some actions. So obviously those are only the actions that relates to this topic, right? And here we want to generate some tests for us, right? So you can create some tests, or manually create them, generate them with AI, or you can pick from the history. So first, let's generate them from AI. So I'm going to use four terms. And as you can see, what we are asking AI is here. Look, we are trying to build some tests around solar production. We want you to give us something that will match those actions. So please tell me something about solar production that will match this. And this is what AI is telling us, right? I'm not so sure it's relevant, but yeah, it seems to be right. It's related to solar production at least. And so we have added our test here. This is here. You can see the 3 terms. This is what you are doing, and basically we'll be able to replay this test on this is hopefully this is matching now my solar production topic, right? That's all. One last thing, don't forget to save your changes, right? If you forget that won't be into Salesforce. But the cool thing is, once you've done that, you can directly come back to Salesforce, and that's going to be saved, right? This is my new 4 terms, right? That's going to match those 2 expected actions on the solar production topic, right? So that's it. Yeah, I think we have done this, and you have even the conversation history from here. So that's all for this feature. Let us know if you have any question.